What if I told you you could actually get paid for listening to music? Now, before you get too excited, let me clear something up. This isn't one of those fake videos claiming you earn thousands of dollars every week just by wearing headphones. The truth is there are legitimate companies out there that actually pay people to review music, discover new artists, or provide feedback that helps musicians improve their songs. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 legit platforms that really exist, how each one of them work, who they're best for, and how much you can realistically expect to earn. So if you're someone who enjoys music and you've been looking for a simple online side also, make sure to watch this video to the very end because the third platform in today's list is very different from the first 2. So yeah, without wasting much more time, let's get started. Every single day, thousands of new songs are uploaded to the internet. Independent artists don't just need people to stream their music, they need honest feedback. Questions like, does this song sound good? Is this chorus memorable? Would listeners actually save it to the playlist? What could be improved? Instead of asking friends and family members, many artists use platforms that connect them with everyday listeners. Your opinion becomes valuable because it helps artists understand how real people react to their music. Now, remember, these aren't websites that pay you simply to press the play button. You're being rewarded for listening carefully and providing useful feedback. That's the important difference. Let's look at the very first website in today's list. The first website in today's list is SliceThePie. This is basically one of the most well-known platforms for getting paid to review music. SliceThePie has been around for years and has built a reputation as one of the leading music review platforms online. This is basically how it works. First, you create a free account, and after signing in, you'll be given free songs to review from independent artists. Your job isn't just to listen, you need to pay attention to the music and write a thoughtful review. For example, instead of saying nice song, great song, no, you could actually explain the vocals are clear and the chorus is catchy. However, the intro feels a little long and the drums could be mixed better. That's a more detailed and useful feedback, alright? So this is basically how you want to go about it. And generally, higher quality reviews have the potential to earn more than very short or repetitive ones. One thing I like about SliceThePie is the fact that you don't need professional music experience. You simply need to listen carefully and provide genuine, constructive feedback. You will review different music genres including pop, hip-hop, rock, country music, electronic music, R&B, alternatives, and some reviews may include fashion products or commercials depending on what's available. How much can you even earn? Now, let's talk about the money. This is where many YouTube videos become misleading. You're not going to earn hundreds of dollars in a single day just by listening to music. Your earnings depends on several factors, including the quality of your review, your rating on the platform, and the number of review opportunities available. Some users earn a little extra spending money, while others who consistently write thoughtful reviews may earn more over time. The important thing is to have realistic expectations. Think of SliceThePie as a side hustle rather than a full-time income. Some pros of this website include the fact that it is free to join, it's beginner friendly, we have multiple music genres here, flexible schedule, and it's available in many countries around the globe. But then the other side of this particular platform is the fact that the reviews need to be very thoughtful, opportunities can vary, and the income is not guaranteed. So if you enjoy discovering new music and don't mind writing short reviews, then SliceThePie is probably the easiest place to begin with. But then, what if you already have a Spotify playlist with real followers? Well, that leads us to the second website, which is completely different from SliceThePie. Instead of reviewing random songs, you'll be reviewing music directly submitted to you by artists hoping to reach new listeners. Let me show you how this works. That leads us to the second website called Playlist Push. Playlist Push, unlike SliceThePie, is not a platform designed for everyone. In this particular platform, you need to become a playlist curator. Generally, you need an active Spotify playlist with genuine followers and regular listener engagement. Artists pay to submit their songs for review, and approved curators listen to those songs before deciding whether they fit their playlist. So if you're accepted as a curator, you're paid for reviewing those submissions, not for guaranteeing that you have the song. That's an important distinction because Playlist Push expects honest opinions. If a song genuinely matches your playlist and your audience, you can choose to include it. If it doesn't, you're not required to add it. This helps maintain trust between artists, listeners, and creators. Now, if you don't already have a Spotify playlist, then you don't need to stress too much. All you have to do is to start building one around the genre you genuinely enjoy listening, such as Afrobeat, hip hop, pop, lofi music, and so many out there. And then from there, once you actually get the genuine followers and active listeners, you can get ahead by applying on the platform. The third platform in today's list is called Current Rewards, and it's a little bit different from the first two websites. Unlike SliceThePie, where you're basically writing reviews, or playlist push, where you're reviewing music as a playlist curator, Current Rewards is a rewards app that lets users earn points by completing different activities, including listening to music where available. Depending on your country and the version of the app available to you, you may also find opportunities such as answering surveys, watching videos, trying offers, or playing games. That means you're not relying on just one activity to earn points. To get started, all you have to do is to download the app, create an account, and explore the available earning options. So if listening to music is available in your region, then you can basically earn points while streaming music through the app, and once you've earned enough points, you may be able to redeem them for supported rewards or payout options offered in your country. One important thing to remember is the fact that availability varies by location. Some earning features and reward options may not be available in every country. Now, how much can you even earn? Let's keep it very realistic. Current Reward isn't designed to replace a full-time job. Most people use it as a way to earn small rewards during their spare time, such as while they're commuting, studying, or relaxing at home. How much you can earn depends on factors like the earning activities available in your country, how active you are, and the app's current reward rate. If you already spend time listening to music or completing small line tasks, it can be one of the ways to make that time a little more productive. Now, looking at the pros of this website is the fact that 1, it's easy to get started, it has multiple ways to earn points, it's mobile friendly, and then it's suitable for casual users. But then on the other side, the features vary by country, the reward rates can change, and it's best viewed as a small side activity rather than a primary source of income. Now, before you sign up on any of these platforms, there are a few important things I want you to know. The first is this: no legitimate website can guarantee you will earn money just because you create an account. These platforms are opportunities, not promises. Your experience will depend on factors such as your effort, the quality of your reviews, your audience if you're applying as a playlist curator, and the opportunities available on each platform. The second thing is to be very careful of websites that make unrealistic claims. If you ever see a website saying you make thousands of dollars every week just by listening to music without doing anything else, take a moment to research it carefully. If something sounds too good to be true, it's worth verifying before you invest your time. Third, take your reviews very seriously. You need to ensure that whatever you do, whatever review you give, it's very thoughtful, not just generic. Fourth, always check the payout methods before signing up. Some platforms support PayPal, while others may offer bank transfers, gift cards, or different payment options depending on your country. So make sure the platform supports a payment method that's available where you live. Finally, you need to be very patient. Many online sites also take time. The people who you see with the best results are usually the ones who stay consistent, kept improving, and treated each opportunity professionally, rather than expecting instant success. If you enjoyed this video and found this video very helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Let me know in the comment section which of these 3 platforms you're most interested in trying, and I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.